We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 9. A right triangle and an isosceles triangle are graphed on the coordinate grid. The shaded section represents all the points located inside both triangles. Which coordinates represent the location of a point inside the shaded section? Since 1.5, 4.5 is not within the shaded area, option A is wrong. 1.5, 4.5 is not within the shaded area. Option B is also wrong. Option C is also outside the shaded area, hence it's not correct. Option D, the point 4.5, 1.5 is inside the shaded section, so it's the correct answer. Question number 10. The wingspan of an adult bald eagle can be 7 feet. What is this wingspan in inches? 1 foot equals 12 inches. Therefore, 7 feet is 7 times 12 equals 84 inches. Question number 11. Which expression is equivalent to 10 plus 5 power 4? The expression 5 to the 4th power signifies 5 multiplied by 5, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 5. None of these are correct, therefore, D is the correct answer. Question number 12. Students at 2 high schools were asked about their plans after graduation. The table displays the results for 300 students at Henderson High School. The bar graph displays the results for 300 students at Johnson High School. Which statement about the results from Henderson High School and Johnson High School must be true? Option F. The number of students who selected Armed Forces, or Other, is greater for Henderson High School than for Johnson High School. The number of students who selected Armed Forces is 15%, so is the Other. We calculate 15% of 300 students by converting the percentage to a decimal, 0.15, and then performing the multiplication, 0.15 times 300 equals 45. 45 students in Armed Forces column plus 45 students in Other column equals 90 students at Johnson High School. The number of students who selected Armed Force in Henderson High School is 48 plus 42 students who selected Other equals 90. Both equals 90. Therefore, F is not correct. Option G. College is associated with the mode for each high school. The mode refers to the number that appears most frequently within a set of data. Therefore, G is the correct answer.